Hello everyone, I'm Channon Rose and this is my brother Cole, and today we're going to be doing the Brother Does My Makeup video. Are you ready for this?
I'm ready, let's go.
Okay. Shit, I cleaned a sponge and then I don't know where I put it.
Alright, you gotta walk me through.
Wait, no. The whole point is that
I just do it?
Yeah, you just do it.
Send
However
it?
you think, yeah, send it. And then I'm not allowed to see it until you're done. Make me beautiful.
Yeah, we'll try.
This should be interesting. So on Instagram, I had asked you guys like what kind of video you guys wanted to see because my brother was going over, and you guys said definitely like a Q&A or he does your makeup. So we thought he would do my makeup and we would answer your questions. If you're not following me on Instagram, you should. I'll put it here. And then this is also his on Instagram if you want to follow him here. What are you looking for back there?
Figure what the hell
You're taking a, oh my gosh, you guys, he has, can we just show them? He literally has everything out of the bag. This is the most important part of my makeup routine. You want to open it up and see what's inside? It's a surprise.
Well, it's not labeled, so I didn't think it was important.
Wait, what do you think's in here?
Toothpaste? Or tooth floss?
No. This makes or breaks my makeup.
Oh, it's, I don't know. Fake eyelashes.
Ding, 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 ding! Good job!
Wait, really?
Yeah, open it
I
up.
thought they come in a little plastic thing.
If you were like hooking up with a girl and she spent the night and then the next day you saw something like this the next morning, would you trip the fuck out or what?
It's a no for me, dog.
So that's what, oh fuck. Okay, he's
Wait,
starting
you can't
out with, what is it?
It is Double Duty Beauty Concealer.
Yeah, Shape Tape, girl's best friend. You're gonna start with that? Are you sure? Like, what is this?
Looks like sunscreen. Does this go on, okay.
Ding ding, oh my god, he just dropped the sponge on the floor. If I get pink eye, I don't know where it came from. We're gonna need a lot more of that hunty to cover up this face. This is hilarious. We should send your dad a picture, actually. Let's answer a question while we're doing this. Oh my god, these are so inappropriate, you guys. Okay, I actually have a good question for you. When our parents first got together and you learned that my mom had kids, at what point did you find out how fucked up I was? And that like I was like in and out of mental hospitals, just like about my past.
Probably right off the beginning.
So you found out from the beginning about my past?
Yeah.
And
but it wasn't really like it was something. I didn't come from a saint-hold church everyday household where everything was perfect. You know, we had our own things going on in my family and things, so it wasn't really like it was that dramatic. It was just like, oh, that's their story. It's more weird when people don't understand that there's a lot of shit that goes on in the world that is outside of your family and realm. And I think just growing up kind of chaotically gave me that.
You didn't like so much judge me?
Well, I didn't know you. Why am I going to judge you?
Aww.
I think that was the biggest thing for me. If anyone said anything, it would just be like, well, I don't know her. What do you want me to say? I've never met her.
That's so cool though that you're like that, because most people are not like that. Most people judge you automatically based off what other people say or hear about you. Why do you think you are that way?
Because there's a lot of things people like to say about me. A lot of people have opinions, but it's how you deal with those opinions, and it's like everyone can have their own opinion of me, but it's who I know to myself. Am I true to myself? Am I what I believe that I am? And I don't really take other people's opinions to dictate if I'm doing right or wrong. So I played baseball in college, and my sophomore year I didn't play very often, but somehow my coach had figured out about your past.
Your baseball coach in college?
Yes. So then he said if you showed up to a game, I would start that game.
Wait, what?
Yeah.
Are you kidding me? It was like a good thing?
Yeah, they wanted to meet you.
Oh my god.
You were like a team celebrity.
What the heck? I thought maybe I was getting you in trouble and I was about to feel really bad for a second.
No, you would have got me my first collegiate start.
What the hell? Why didn't you text me? I would have freaking come.
How do you text someone and say, hey, my coach?
No, you don't say that. You just say, hey, come to my game. I want you to come to my game.
I did.
No, you didn't. I never once got a text from you inviting me to one of your
No, I invited my dad.
Okay,
it was when I was playing in American River. And I was like, oh, you should tell Shannon then to come. It's right by Folsom. You would have been a team celebrity. He said you would have thrown out the first pitch.
What?
Yeah.
Shout out to you, coach. How cool.
Shout out Bob Kittle.
Oh my god. What a cool ass coach that you had.
Does this go in your eyes?
I won't get you in trouble, right? Just being your sister.
It's California. You can do anything in a state school, right? Anyone can be your family. You can pay. You can pay. Go to USC.
Oh, that's shade. Oh my god. Okay, now what's next?
Concealer.
Yes. Good job. You're off to a good start. I'm actually quite impressed that you even know what that is. Wait, what are you concealing up there?
Wait, where does it
Do
go?
I have stuff on my forehead
I don't know
that
what the
needs
purpose
to be
of it is.
concealed?
Oh, wait, hold on. Oh, I know.
Yeah, there we go.
I know where it goes.
Concealer is not going to cover up the wrinkles. That's what Botox is for. Are you trying to cover my wrinkles with concealer?
No. Just make you look great.
Okay.
Don't worry. You've never had makeup done this way.
No.
This is the best way you could get it
Okay.
done. You know.
I don't
just
think
a
I've
little
ever
concealer.
concealer.
Does concealer go on a sponge?
Just putting it all over. Yeah, you could use a sponge. Have you ever watched a makeup video before?
Me?
Yeah.
No. I know that you go wet and then dry.
Wet and then dry. How old are you?
23.
You guys should prank someone. Oh, let's prank your dad.
We should prank your mom because she tries to prank my dad all the time.
My mom is probably the best person to prank because she's like me. We're so gullible and naive. I did the most fucked up prank once to my mom. Do you want to know what I did?
I told my mom I had to go pregnant like 3 years in a row for April Fools.
No. Why do I look like a vampire? Wait, okay, so you pranked your mom that you had a girl pregnant for 3 years?
3 years in a row on April Fools. I was a father.
I was a father. Do you want to hear the prank that I did? This is so fucked up, by the way.
Yes.
So this is when I was doing like adult stuff. And
ooh, here we go.
there was like this cool new, wait, what are you putting on my face now?
The Benefit. Oh, it's a bronzer.
Yes! It's Benefit Hoola Bronzer. What brush are you using?
The one that was in the box.
Living. For the box brush. Oh my god! My fucking eye.
Oh, sorry.
Why are you so close to
It's
my
not
eye?
supposed to be close. Where's it go?
Why are you my fucking eye?
I thought I was supposed to go like under, over. It says.
Oh my god, he just fucking brushed bronzer in my eye. Oh my.
It says light bronzer all over her face. It doesn't define, not the eyeballs.
Oh my god, I'm starting to sweat. You're gonna give me a beard.
Oh, it looks
And a unibrow. I don't feel good about this. You were
That's the
off to a
point,
good
though.
start and now it's getting real bad.
It's not the worst. I've seen way worse.
You guys, oh, let me tell you about my prank. This was like back in the day when voice, you know how you could like download an app to change your voice and call someone? So I downloaded this app and I called my mom from a blocked number and I said, we have your daughter and we want $25,000 or you're not gonna get her back and we're gonna like kill her. That's what I said. Because it was the voice changing app, so it sounded like what, like the scare, you know, like the scary movie, like, we have your daughter. And she got real quiet and I know that she was probably freaking out, and then I hung up and then she kept trying to call my phone, and when she called my phone I had the voice changing app, so I'm like, we have your daughter. And so she like really believed it because she thought they had my phone. She was getting ready to send the person 25 grand to get me back. And eventually, and then you could hear it in her voice, she was like starting to cry and she was like so scared. And I kept saying like, if you call the police, like we'll kill her. And so, oh my god, my poor mom, I feel so bad. Anyways, I ended up calling her and finally telling her it was a prank, and she was so mad at me.
How'd that end up going over? Pretty well? Or
No, it did not go over very well. She was really mad at me. And I feel bad. I probably gave her half a heart attack. People keep asking like what it was like growing up with me and like my crazy past, but I think what they don't realize is that our parents just recently got married, and so he didn't grow up with me when I was little, but he's like really not judgmental, so I think that he just doesn't care. Tell us what you're doing.
Alright, yeah.
next.
So next step, we're going to the Elite Cosmetics.
Nice.
It was a complete guess, and I think it's eyeshadow.
Have you ever gotten bullied?
Yes. I've been the bully, gotten bullied. It's life. I feel like through that past of being bullied and like being a douche and all that stuff, you learn a lot more about certain people's situations, and either you can grow from it or you continue to live into that lie. But for me, it's just like I just want to keep moving with my life and what I'm doing.
Mm-hmm. What was your reaction, or how did you feel when you found out that I had stepped on a crab many years ago?
Oh my gosh. That just really did not even stir an emotion out of me, to be completely honest.
Really? Because people were really upset about that with me.
There's worse things.
Yeah.
It's like if I did something in my past, but then I grew up into a different person, but now I have to answer for what I did as a different person, but this is who I am now. If I found out things about a lot of the people who watch your videos or the people who say things about those type of things, you could find something that they did that they probably don't want the whole world to know either, and they're probably very ashamed of it. But they have the luxury of no one giving a fuck who they are.
Or like it not being public, their mistakes that they've made in life. Like I forgot I even did that. I did some like really fucked up like dark shit, like fetish stuff, but I forgot I even did that video. Is that even more fucked up that I forgot?
No, it's life.
I've just grown so much as a person, I feel like. How am I looking, bro? He's like looking at me. You can't see what your face looks like right now. He just looked at me and he was like, you're supposed to be making me look good.
I know, close your eyes.
Makeup can like make or break the way that you look, and I have a feeling you're breaking it. We've all made a lot of mistakes. I've probably made a lot worse mistakes than some, but you know, I've grown in a different person now. The
defining purpose of a person is when you make that decision, do you keep going the same route or did you go the other way?
Right. Can I just ask a decision that you're making right now, which I feel like is really bad? Like, what the fuck are you putting over here?
There's nothing over there.
I feel a brush go here.
You felt.
Okay.
You thought.
Here, let me help you out. What does that look like?
Lip liner.
That's right. Get it, girl.
Oh, this is how the girls get on. I found out your secret. I need one of these. Okay, I'm sorry. You're really messing up my work. You guys saw it here. If it's messed up, it's on Shannon.
No.
Laughing. This is such a lie.
Oh my god, Kylie Jenner. Get out.
This is such a lie.
That's not my lip line.
Oh yeah.
Wait, that's it? How come we didn't do up here? Are you gonna connect the lines?
You know what? What's one more line gonna do? There we go. And
this is going really well.
Here we go. Some Channon Rose lip kit.
Using my lip kit. I love that you said a lip kit.
Is this how it's supposed to go on?
Mm-hmm.
Oh. What was that? That messed up.
Okay, go.
I'm trying really hard here. Just so they know. Anything not inside the lines is on Shannon.
What?
Modest.
Modest. Wait, are you done?
Am I?
I don't know, I'm asking.
I feel like I forgot to do something. Ooh, here we go. An eye crayon. Where's this go?
An eye crayon?
An eye smolder.
Where do you think it goes? Oh my god, I'm really nervous about this one.
Oh, you outlined the eyeball. Or not the eyeball, the eyelid. The thing.
Oh man, my mom is calling. Hey mom.
Hi, what are you guys doing?
We're filming a video right now, and you're on speaker, and Cole is doing my makeup.
Oh, he's over? Okay.
Alright, are we done? That is like really high up there.
Yeah, we're done.
We're done? You want to see that dab one more time? Alright, I'm gonna look in the mirror. Are you sure you're done?
Yeah.
Oh my god! Wait, why? Okay, first of all, you like totally missed a spot right here for like foundation. I knew there was eyeshadow over here.
No, that's the wrong eye though, you pointed the other one.
No, it's over here too.
Oh, well.
Oh my god, I look like 80. I literally look like a fucking grandma. Are you kidding me? We're not going out like this.
I said modest.
A modest 80-year-old.
No, you look like you're just relaxing.
Oh my god. Alright, you guys, we're gonna go film a TikTok because I don't know how to do it. Are you gonna teach me how to film a TikTok? Are we gonna do the dance?
Not that one, but we'll try.
Okay, you guys, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to follow him. Go support him on SoundCloud. We did a song on there if you guys want to go check it out. And I think that's it. Thanks for watching. I'm sending you all my love and all my positive energy. Thanks for being here, Cole.
No problem.
Mwah!